Sanskrit and grammar and kavi and vyakaran and sahitya. Everything is there in their belly because Krishna is telling. So what applies in the Gita to the modern day contemporary sadhus that we read about and maybe met also applies to the gopis and applies to us. And what is the principle? If love is the primary element, Krishna prem, not mundane prem, but Krishna prem is the primary element of the substratum of the bhakta's heart. The primary element is love. We're supposed to be a bhakta. Bhakta. A bhakta is a person of love. So if love and prema is a primary element, then automatically all the ocean of knowledge is there at your fingertips because Krishna is in your heart. And he guarantees this, and he reminds us of this in the Bhagavad Gita, 10th chapter, verse 10. Tesham saratayuktanam bhajatam pritipurvakam tadami buddhi yogam tam yenamam upayantite. Upayantite. You come to me. If you worship me with priti, with love, and who is worshiping Krishna with more love than Priyaji Radha and the Braja Gopis? They are worshiping Krishna with pristine, immaculate, totally pure, transcendental, divine love. So that's why they know about Varaha Avatar and Vaman Avatar and Paramatma and everything about Krishna's Tattva Gyan they know. All Tattva Gyan they know. But they're just simple girls and they're churning yogurt into butter every morning and singing about Krishna.